How to make a quest system in Roblox Studio. In this example, I will do a quest to kill a certain number of enemies. What you need: quest giver and proximity prompt. Name them correctly as in the example. In the example, I changed the properties a bit to make the button look like this. Since this is an enemy killing quest, I took the sample enemy from the avatar, rig builder, and block avatar. I will do a quest to kill these 3 enemies. Name them correctly according to the example. And what else do you need to prepare? Remote event in replicated storage. Screen GUI with frames for quest text, 2 buttons and progress text. Name them correctly according to the example. And add scripts and local scripts. Writing the script. This script controls the quest GUI and updates the quest progress. Set up references and set up GUI elements. Both are hidden by default. Disconnect click events. Prevents old button connections from stacking. Disconnects both button click functions when finished. Handles different types of quest updates. Set up text and buttons. Displays a quest offer with accept and decline buttons. Makes quest window visible. When the player presses the accept button, hides the window. Notifies the server that player accepts the quest and shows quest progress. When the player presses the decline button, hides the window. Does not send anything to the server. If the player interacts again while the quest is in progress, a message will be displayed indicating that the player is still on the quest. When a player completes a quest, show completion message and rewards, and hide progress. Displays a message if the player tries to interact after finishing the quest. Updates the progress text whenever the server sends an update. Writing the script. This script controls quest logic, reward distribution, and enemy kill tracking. Reference remote event and quest giver. When players join, create a leader stats folder to display the coin values on the leaderboard for rewards. Add a quest status string to track quest progress. When the player interacts with the proximity prompt on the quest giver, this runs. Sends start quest message, says you're already on it. Gives 300 coins and marks as completed. Says no more quests. When a client accepts a quest, this block handles the logic, sets the quest to be activated, and sends progress updates to the client. List of specific enemies to track. Prepares a table to store connections. Finds each enemy and ensures it has a humanoid. Every time that enemy dies and the quest is active, increments the kill count, updates the player's quest progress on the GUI. If enough enemies are killed, marks quest as complete. Disconnects all kill event listeners to save memory. Click play in Roblox Studio and start testing. You're now equipped to start coding in Roblox Studio. Let your creativity run wild and see what you can build.